Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you how you can enable the dual WhatsApp in your device Samsung Galaxy M33 and M33 5G. So if you want to use a second WhatsApp, like you already have one WhatsApp but you want to use another one, or you want a dual WhatsApp, or you can say a clone WhatsApp, you can enable this by the method as I am showing in this video. Before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the dual WhatsApp in your device. Let's watch it.